It's been less than 6 months since the Oppo R11 made its debut, but the Chinese phone maker behind the iPhone lookalike is already releasing an updated model dubbed the R11s and a bigger R11s Plus. But it's not just a simple refresh, as the new R11s and R11s Plus come with larger displays, 6-inch and 6.43-inch respectively, both in an 18:9 ratio that's similar to the Pixel 2 and Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. Plus there are new camera tricks for even better photography, with rear dual cameras of 20 megapixels and 16 megapixels, and a front 20 megapixel shooter powered by AI. The R11s promises to be a powerhouse photography device, something that Oppo has been emphasizing with its recent phones. Unlike other phones with dual cameras, Oppo says both of its f1.7 rear cameras are capable of taking pictures, not just utilizing one camera, with the other being a monochrome or telephoto lens. Oppo says this makes pictures much better, as the phone will select the best camera for the job. For low light shots under 50 lux lighting conditions, the phone will use the 20 megapixel sensor, for example. It's an interesting technique to be sure, and we'll have to see how it holds up in real world testing. Other photography related features include an AI powered selfie front camera, which Oppo says is trained to give you the best beauty shot. The AI will optimize the beauty settings to de-age subjects and remove skin blemishes to give you the perfect selfie every time. This happens locally, so you don't have to worry about your images being uploaded to Oppo to further train the AI.